Good evening, everyone. This is Lynn from Paper Peace. I have a DeSTASH box number 3 that is a little different but fun at the same time. It is going to be $35 because the weight of the actual box is 10 pounds. So let me show you what's in it. It is going to include the Park Lane Our Adventures 12 by 12 paper pad. It has 45 sheets. This is what it looks like. I'll show you this really quick. It includes the Minions paper pad. The Minion sheets are double-sided, so naturally if you don't like one side, the other side suffices. It's cute though, but for the theme that I'm naming this box, you'll understand why. This is really cute. Okay, that's one. I'm including the Little Pony paper pack. It has 12 by 12s, 4 stickers, 1 chipboard. This is what it looks like on the back. So adorable, just so adorable. So adorable, just so adorable, just so adorable. I'm including the Mickey Mouse page kit. It has 182 pieces in it. Sorry for the glare, but this is what it looks like. It has stickers and all, okay? I'm including Paper Studio Disco Cowgirl paper crafting kit. It's going to have the Hello Dreamer. It's going to have the Hello Dreamer book kit, 85-page journal. It has 858 stickers, 4 40-page sticky notepads. This is everything on the back. Okay? It's going to include a sticker book. These are all the pages that are included. There are 1,064 pieces in this particular book. Sorry. It's going to include sticker scratch pad, there's another sticker scratch pad. Has these stickers, 125 piece set. I started to include some thicker stickers, but when I realized that this particular sticker pack had these, I did not. So it's got a little washi tape in here too. Well, the stickers, they're stickers, okay? I'm including this Every Day is a Fresh Start notepad. So cute. I'm including this notes, little notepad. This notes, well, noted, this noted little notepad. Now I had a ton of these before. Ollie's had some. I'm including a pack of Motsy. Now I had these before. Ollie's was selling them with the big packs. This Moxie glitter glue set. And I am including this EK Tools Craft Tote Bundle. Now, if you're someone that has a young person and you want them to kind of get into crafting, or they're into crafting, I think this will be a perfect, really, I think this would be a perfect set for them. And I also, like I said, I included the pad in there for parent. This is really a fun craft kit. I think it is, at least. Once again, it's $35. The link will be in the description if you decide you want to purchase it. Thanks so much for tuning in. Have a good evening. Oh, and by the way, I know it's Football Monday. Have fun. Take care.